Have you ever visited a stunning website and wondered, how did they make this? Well, what if I told you, you could be the one designing those websites and getting paid for it? In today's world, skilled web developers are in high demand. Whether you're coding for small businesses, big corporations, or even e-commerce platforms, freelance web development can be one of the most rewarding careers out there. Let's break down how you can start making money as a freelance web developer. Stay tuned till the end for tips on landing your first client and scaling your business. Why is web development such a great opportunity? Here's why: high demand. Every business, from startups to corporations, needs a website. Flexible work. You can choose your clients and work from anywhere in the world. Lucrative pay web development projects can earn anywhere from $500 for a simple website to $10,000 or more for complex platforms. Long-term opportunities. Once you establish a reputation, you can land repeat clients and higher-paying projects. If you're looking for a skill that can open doors to endless opportunities, web development is the key. To get started in web development, you need to master these key skills. 1. HTML and CSS, the backbone of any website. HTML structures the site, while CSS styles it. 2. JavaScript adds interactivity to your websites, such as animations, buttons, and forms. 3. Responsive design ensures that websites look great on mobile, tablet, and desktop screens. 4. Content management systems, CMS, WordPress, Shopify, or Joomla for easy site management. 5. Version control, Git, helps manage code changes and collaborate with other developers. 6. SEO basics, understand basic SEO to make websites search engine friendly. These are just the starting blocks. Once you're comfortable with these, you can expand your skills further into specialized areas like back-end development and database management. Your portfolio is the key to getting hired as a freelance web developer. Here's how you can build one that impresses potential clients. 1. Start with personal projects. Create sample websites for fake companies or redesign existing websites. 2. Volunteer work. Offer your services for free or at a discounted rate to nonprofits or local businesses. 3. Highlight your skills. Ensure that each project in your portfolio demonstrates a different aspect of your skills, from responsive design to e-commerce solutions. 4. Document the process. Show before and after examples, and add client testimonials if possible. 5. Use a professional website. A personal website showcasing your skills and portfolio will make you look credible and experienced. Now that you have the skills and a portfolio, it's time to find clients. Here are some ways to get started. First, freelance marketplaces. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to find web development gigs. Next, job boards. Websites like We Work Remotely, Remote OK, and AngelList list freelance web development jobs. Then, networking. Attend meetups, tech conferences, or online communities like Reddit and LinkedIn to connect with potential clients. Another method is cold outreach. Find websites that need improvement and reach out to them with a proposal for redesign. And finally, referrals. Ask satisfied clients to refer you to others or offer incentives for referrals. One of the trickiest parts of freelancing is setting your rates. Here's how you can price your services. Firstly, hourly rates. For beginners, $20 to $50 per hour is common. Experienced developers can charge $75 to $150 or more per hour. Secondly, project-based pricing. You can also charge per project depending on its complexity. A basic website might cost $500, while a custom-built e-commerce site could be $5,000 or more. Lastly, retainers. For ongoing maintenance and updates, you could charge clients on a monthly retainer basis, providing a consistent income stream. Remember, the more experienced you get, the more you can charge. Always track the time you spend on projects to make sure you're charging appropriately. As you grow and get more clients, scaling your business becomes the next challenge. Here's how you can do it. 1. Specialize in a niche. Focus on specific industries like real estate, e-commerce, or tech startups. 2. Outsource tasks. Hire junior developers or designers to assist with larger projects. 3. Expand your skill set. Learn back-end development, web app development, or mobile app development to broaden your services. And 4. Increase rates. As you gain experience and a reputation, increase your rates for high-quality work. Scaling your business will allow you to take on larger, more lucrative projects and increase your overall income. Every web developer makes mistakes, but avoiding these will help you succeed. First, underpricing your services. Don't undervalue your skills. Charge what you're worth. Second, neglecting mobile optimization. A website that's not mobile-friendly will lose traffic. Third, ignoring client communication. Stay in touch with clients throughout the project to avoid misunderstandings. And fourth, focusing too much on design. While aesthetics are important, usability and functionality should always come first. Learn from these mistakes and keep improving your skills to avoid repeating them. Freelance web development is one of the most stable online careers. As long as businesses are online, they'll need web developers. It's a field where your expertise will always be in demand. Plus, the skills you learn now will remain relevant as technology continues to evolve. Now that you know the steps to become a successful freelance web developer, it's time to get started. Take your skills, build your portfolio, find clients, and start building the websites of tomorrow. If you want to explore more freelancing tips and income-boosting strategies, click the link on your screen to watch my next video. Don't miss out. Your future as a freelance web developer begins today.